Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, let's continue to improve our login form. I am now on card wrapper component, and in here, let's add show social, and let's add the card footer, and in here let's add link from next link, and then some social, and then here we can do that it's ref back button. So let's see what it looks like in the browser. Back is not defined. Back is not defined. It is defined. There you go. And as I hover here, you can see down here, you will be redirected to Auth register. But what I'm going to do here is create a social component. So let's create a social component. Here in the component Auth, let's create a component here, social.tsx, and let's open that here and start typing use client for this is to be rendered in the browser, and type in constant social equal to this, and let's just return here div, and let's call the button that we have in our next UI, and this button should be for Google, the other one is for Github. Now that we have this component back in our card wrapper, let's call that component. Now back in the browser, we can see here there are two buttons for Google and for Github. Now let us use this React icons by installing it in our project using this command. Back here in my terminal, let's paste in the command icon. I am using pnpm, so I'll change that to pnpm and hit install. Now that it was done, let's clear the terminal using get status. Let's verify if that was installed here. Get on -e package.json, and we can see here that React icons was added as one of the package. Now that we have a React icon, then we can add an icon here for Google, and here we can do the same. For GitHub, there is an error, so let's check here. Google, for Google, import from weird, my editor did not capture the image, so let's just copy this one there. Github, Google. Now in our browser, we can see now Google and Github. Let's add a class name for this button and have it a height of 10 and width full and here class name flex and justify center gap x4 items center. And back in our browser, there you go, there is a gap. One more thing we need to add is width full, and there you go. Now let's change the variant of this into the link. No, let's change this to outline. There. And down below here, we need to add don't have an account. In our login form component, we have these props here and back button ref. So we need to use this in card wrap. So down here, let's type the most likely the same as that. Card footer and let's use a link. Where is and we will be using that back button label as suggested. The link should comes from next link. It's already imported here. Link and href. Let's use this back button. It's now here we can see that the don't have an account displayed in our form. Let's wrap this with button. A button that we have. And the variant and the size is small. I don't know why it's complaining. Now there is an underline every time we hover to that, and let's move that to center. Class name justify center. And you can see here it is now in the center. So the next thing, there is a form here, this one, and we will be using this form for our login because right now this is generated. As we can see here, this is just an JSX or native HTML element. So let's use shadcn for this in the next video. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.